Amma, today we had promised you that we would do all our work ourselves. So we have washed our clothes. Only Nooni didn't do it.
Why do I need to wash clothes?
Huh?
I have so many clothes that even if I don't wash them for a month, I can still wear different clothes every day.
Oh, today you are speaking like Princess Chitralekha, the daughter of King Vidyadhar.
Wow, Chiru. It seems like you've been reading a lot of books these days.
Yes, Amma. You weren't here for 2-3 days and I couldn't do without stories. So I read your storybooks.
But we haven't heard any story about that princess.
Now you will know this only after listening to the story. So the story goes like this. King Vidyadhar and Queen Ketki, they both used to be under stress. A lot of stress.
Is this a way to tell a story?
It's smelling so good.
Ha! Yay!
Amma, how long will it take to prepare the paisam?
Just a few minutes, children.
Okay, Amma. Chiru, catch!
Amma!
Run!
Amma! Save us! Save us! Amma! The honeybees have attacked us! They will sting us!
Honeybees. Now see the magic of these campers.
Yay! The honeybees are gone!
That's okay. But tell me one thing. Who invited the honeybees here?
That's him!
Sudha? Sudha! Come out quickly.
Who's there?
Huh?
Oh, Ratna. So many books. Since when did you become so fond of reading?
Oh, these are not for me. They are for the children. You have been searching for these books for the children for the past few days, haven't you?
Yes, but why did you take the trouble? I could have asked someone else.
Why someone else? I went to the city, so I brought them. Oh, come on, children, help me.
These books are quite heavy, Grandma. Didn't you have any difficulty bringing them alone?
Difficulty? Son, Sudha is my friend, that too since childhood. And there isn't any harm in helping a friend, right?
Wow! If there's friendship, it should be like Sudhama and Ratna auntie. Absolutely strong and honest. I'll show you magic today.
Yay!
And my partner will be Gopi.
Gopi?
Isn't that right, Gopi? Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Gopi turned into a ball.
Gopi turned into a football?
Yes.
Amma! Amma! Look what Nooni did to Gopi with her magic!
Gopi?
Yes!
Wait, I'll show you magic. It's treat time. Here comes Gopi.
Gopi!
I could not resist the food.
What did you think? that I really turned Gopi into a ball?
Ayyo! I missed my catch because of this stick. I am not going to leave it now.
I will also help you, Babu.
Oh, children, why so much anger? Why are you putting in so much effort to break them one by one? Here's an idea. Break all these sticks together.
Now give it to me. Amma, why is this not breaking?
How will it break? There is strength in unity. Alone, the stick is weak. But when together, there is strength in numbers. And it becomes strong.
I'm pretty sure Amma must know some story about this too. Amma, we didn't understand properly. What is unity?
If we could hear a story about it, then...
Then we would have understood it better.
Okay, I understand your tricks. But it's okay.
Yay!
Here's some banana shake for my children.
Huh?
Hey, what happened to my children?
We are very upset with you. But why should we take it out on banana shake?
Babu?
Okay, fine. But I came here to solve the problems of my children. What do you people say? Story time with
Sudhamma?
Yes.
When will Amma come?
It's been 3 days since Amma left. When will she return?
Don't worry, she'll come soon. Till then, enjoy your favorite pakoras.
Oh, these pakoras are tasteless. Amma doesn't make them like this.
And not only that, Amma also tells us stories after we have finished eating.
But how do I call your Amma right now?
Don't worry, children.
Amma!
Wait. Everyone sit down. Chiru, sit there.
Okay.
Babu, go and sit on the chair.
But you yourself said that this chair is weak.
No excuses. You want to listen to the story, right? Go and sit on the chair.
Yes.
Babu, are you hurt?
No, I'm all right. Honey, you?
Babu, I hope you're not hurt.
You let me down?
Yes. That is why I always say that you should never ever trust anyone blindly.
Amma!
This is for all of you.
It's good that you came. or else they would have made me do Bharatnatyam, especially to recite a story. Now that I have heard their demand for its story time with Sudha Amma so many times that even I am curious to see how you tell them these stories.
I've already got the subject of the story from Nooni.
Amma, please tell the story now.
But Amma has just returned from her trip. I think she should rest for some time.
We will definitely listen to her story tonight.
Yes, of course. Why not?
Yay!
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.